Oh no, another coffee disaster? Time to level up with the Anywhere Espresso, the 3-in-1 wireless coffee maker that's about to change your life. Let's brew some magic. First, big coffee pods coming in hot. Just pop one in and, in under 2 minutes, you've got yourself a rich, bold espresso. No cords, no hassle. Next up, small pods for big flavor. Perfect for those quick pick-me-ups when you're on the move. Just press, sip, and boom. Espresso perfection. And for the OG coffee lovers, we've got you too. Coffee powder straight in. One button press, and you've got cafe-quality espresso wherever you are. Whether it's in your kitchen or out in the wild. No compromises, just amazing coffee every single time. Your coffee, your way, wherever you go. The Anywhere Espresso is on sale now at MTL Accessories. Head to the Instagram link in the bio and grab yours before they're gone. Trust me, this is your coffee game changer.